Hi, this is Himani. I recently joined Shine Computer Education to pursue a course in Advanced Excel, and I'd like to share an experience regarding the same. The course was well organized with a perfect blend of practical and theory sessions. The trainer was excellent, provided individual attention and valuable insights. The hands on training approach helped me apply whatever I learned immediately. Extra classes were provided to have a deeper understanding regarding the course, and I can confidently say that Shine Computer Education is the best training institute for advanced Excel. However, the institute is not limited to providing just this one course. A variety of courses are provided, such as video editing, graphic designing, website designing, programming, etc. If you are looking to join any of these courses, look no further and join Shine Computer Education. Thank you.